Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage Google Wallet on your Samsung Galaxy phone or any Android phone that you have right now. So the first thing to do, you have to set up your Google Pay. So of course you have to um, aware about the compatible your device compatible with Google Play or not. Google Pay or not, sorry, your nationwide debit or credit cards, and also the Google Wallet app. So here you can log in into the banking app, go to the menu and select manage cards, and also you can choose the card you want to add to Google Wallet and tap on add to Google Pay and follow the setup process. And also is for setting up an Google Wallet app, so you can open this Google Wallet app on your phone, then follow the setup processes and add your a nationwide debit or credit card. For example, this is the Nationwide Bank, so you can add it. So remember, you can add more than one card to the device, the same card to more than one device. So this is the example how you can set up the Google Wallet app if you want to add a nationwide bank, for example. And here Google Wallet help support google.com. This is the official website of Google. So here you can manage your Google payment info when you buy a Google service like Google One or buy something through a Google product like Google Play. The payment info you provide is saved to your Google account. So here you can add a payment method. You can sign in into payment method here. At the bottom, click add payment method. Here you can click to add payment method. Follow the instruction to finish adding your payment method, and so on. And here you can learn about the details you can find on the support.google.com, such as how you can manage personal info on your payment profile and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also the next button below. See you in the next video.